Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a Walmart fashion favorites. You guys know I do this every month, letting you guys know what is my favorites of the whole month, of all the things that I hauled in. I usually do like once a week Walmart haul, and at the end of the month I will show you what is my favorites, what are the ones that like are the best, and also the ones that are top sellers, which means these are the ones that you guys bought the most of, so it is you guys' favorites as well. I'm gonna get right into it. Before we begin, if this is your first time watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Now if you guys notice I'm talking a little bit more low, that's because my baby is sleeping on the bed right there, so I'm trying not to wake her up, but at the same time I do want to film this video so I can get it out to you guys. So I hope you guys don't mind that I have to talk more low. Let's start off with shoes first, or boots first. I'm gonna show you guys one handbag and then we're gonna move on to clothes. The first ones that I want to show you guys are these right here. These are the Time and True Gore boots. They have them in 5 colors. I have them in 4 colors, and these are my favorites of the month. You guys know I talked about these so much, and I picked these up this month, and I had to show you guys because these are my new favorites. These are the black. They are gorgeous. They're comfortable. They are like your everyday chic boots that you have to get. Like if you want to look stylish and chic, but at the same time comfortable all day long, these are the boots for you. And like I said guys, I have them in 4 colors. I have them in the tan, the rust, and the bone, and then I had to get them in the black. They also have them in the gray, but I didn't get that one because I know I'm not gonna probably wear that one, even though it's gorgeous. I'm just being realistic, but they do have that one as well. You guys been loving this, and it is for a good reason. So let me show you guys. It looks like this, and it has the zipper right here, so it's easy in and out access. It has this right here where you can, like, you know, help your feet push your feet in. It has this elastic right here, and it's just really nice quality. There's a 1-inch heel, and then the rest is flat, so you can wear these all day long and be comfortable. Guys, I've worn these all day long and they do not hurt my feet. They feel so comfortable. They are just, to me, these are highly recommended because they're just that good. When you get them, you will thank me. I would recommend that you get them before they sell out. And moving on to the next pair of boots are these right here. These are just gorgeous. Now I have these in the color white. I bought them like 3 months ago, and then I decided to get these as well because I'm really loving these. I'm gonna give you guys a quick comparison from the ones that they had last year and this year. These are the ones from last year by Time and True, and these are this year, so a little bit different. These are more darker, these are more lighter. The faux Sherpa is on the tongue. This one does not have faux Sherpa on the tongue. It has it on the edges going around it, and the laces here are like red, black, and then it's like a nude color. This one is just like tan color laces, and they're a little bit different. So I just wanted to show you guys because these are the ones from last year. I don't think they sell these anymore. And the reason why I decided to get these as well, I know they're still pretty similar, but I wanted to get them because they're a dupe to the Chloe boots. And the fact that I used these so much last year and I'm still using them, I had to get these because I know these are eventually gonna wear out, and I wanted to get my hands on these because they are that good, guys. So get yourself these before they sell out. I got them in a size 6.5. I usually get in a 7, but the 7 was sold out, so I got in 6.5, and they fit perfectly. They're gorgeous, highly recommend. Moving on to the next pair of boots are these right here. I am not surprised that these are one of my favorites because they are just gorgeous. So these are by Scoop. They're on sale for $34. They were originally $46. And I wanted to wait until they're on sale. When they did, I just had to snatch them up. They are so gorgeous. They're like the snake print, and they're like a beautiful metallic gold. Just so me, guys. Like, this is so me right here. I love a pop of like something, and it's like a statement, you know what I mean? If you wear something more casual, this is like your statement right here. I love the fact that it's like kind of slouched, as you can see, and it's just beautiful, guys. It's so flattering. The heel is about 3-inch, maybe 3.5. Very comfortable. And it does have a zipper, so you can put your feet in and out really easily. I absolutely love them. I really do recommend them. I mean, I know these are not for everybody, but these I do recommend. Like, these are my favorites. I've been loving these, and you just need these. Like these, oh, they're like fire, honestly. They're just beautiful. One thing I will add about those shoes is that they are very soft and lightweight. Like they're very lightweight, so they're super comfortable. Moving on to my favorite handbag that I got. This one I just love, and I've been wearing a lot. Is this one right here. This is by Time and True. It is under $25. It is like, I think they call it the Slouchy Handbag. It is inspired by the Bottega bag, and it is so beautiful, so comfortable. Now you guys know I picked this one up in the nude, and I had to get it in the black as well because it is that beautiful. They do have them in other colors as well, like a red, a green, and I don't remember the other colors, but they have them in several colors. And this one is just beautiful. Fits a lot of stuff in here. It's so nice. It is magnetic, so when you open it, it opens like so, and then it just closes by itself. This is more puffy. Guys, I'm telling you, you have to get this. This is gorgeous. Next item that I wanted to show you guys, well, the rest of these are actually clothing pieces. It is this one right here. I absolutely love this camisole, and these are by No Boundaries. They're, I think, like $9. They come in 4 colors. I got it in the red, the pink, and then they also have a black, and then of course they have the forest green. My favorite one is the forest green, like hands down one of my favorites. I just think this is gorgeous. I have a thing for this color green right now. I don't know why. Like I'm going through this stage where I'm just like everything dark green, forest green. It's me. I love it. So this is just beautiful. And how I love wearing this is with a turtle, like a black turtleneck sweater underneath. So imagine this with a black turtleneck sweater, and then put this over it. It just looks amazing, and I love it. So that way you can stay warm, but at the same time look stylish. And obviously you can wear this without a turtleneck, but that's how I wear it. That's how I like to wear it, especially for around this time where it's more chilly. I just love this. It's so beautiful. Moving on to a 3-piece camisole set. These are by Time and True, and it comes I got the ones in the color black, white, and gray. The white one, I don't know where it's at. I think it's like in the washer somewhere, but they're $10 for 3 of them, guys, and I highly recommend them. I always wear these underneath sweaters because I like to have an extra layer underneath before I put my sweaters on. I just always did it that way, and I feel like it just keeps you more warm, and I don't know, I just do recommend it. It just keeps you warm. So yeah, I do love these for a layering piece. For $10 for a 3-piece set, I think that is very well worth it. So I do recommend these. They also come in a 4-piece set for like $12. Moving on to the next item. You guys know this has been in my last month's Walmart fashion favorites. I had to mention it again. A lot of you guys are buying this, and it's for a good reason. It is this coatigan right here by Time and True. It's under $25. I got this one with the black and the white lines. They do also have like this beautiful brown with like a wine color lines, which I'm debating on getting that one. That one is really nice. And then they also have a gray with leopard, and then a green with zebra print. This one I just love. Guys, I wish you could feel it. It's so soft, so thick, so lush, and it does have like a belt where you can tie it around. It's just amazing. I absolutely love it. And this has to be like my favorite finds from Walmart. That's why I mention it again, because I'm telling you guys, I recommend you get it before it sells out, because this one did sell out several times. I got in a size medium, and I'm really glad I did. It just fits amazing. Next item is this one right here. So this is a jacket by Lee. I got in a size large, and this one is only $15. They have them in 3 other colors, and just so you guys know, I will leave all the other color selections down in the description box. So if you guys are not feeling this, just know I have them all down for you, so you can easily just click and see whatever you like, because I know not everybody will probably like this, but I love this one. This is my new favorite. I just love the brown and the black together, that combination. You guys know I love that combination, and I know I've heard it where people say like, oh, don't mix black and brown. I don't even know where that came from, honestly. Like, yeah, I'm gonna wear brown and black because I love it. This is so pretty, so soft. Honestly, this reminds me of a type of jacket that I would wear near a fireplace and have like a hot cocoa or tea and maybe some cookies. I don't know why that always makes me think that way. This one I love. $15, guys. You really can't beat it. I honestly wish you could feel how nice and comfy and soft this is, how cozy it is. I just love it. So this, just get it, guys. You will thank me. This has sold out several times. I couldn't buy it the first or the second time. I had to wait the third time when they brought it back in stock to get it. And when they came back in stock, I like snatched it up because I know it's gonna sell out. It's been selling out so much. Moving on to a set. It's a loungewear set, and I've been really loving this one. First off is the pants, which is right here. It has the pockets, it has the drawstring, and then at the end it's like more cinched in. It is by Lovetree. I got in a size medium because it is a junior size. Now I could have sized down to a small, but honestly I don't mind it in the medium. So I really love this. The one thing I will say is that honestly you look exactly like a teddy bear. So this is like made for a cabin. Like if you're gonna go to a cabin in the mountains, wear this, you know, because you will literally look like you're a cozy teddy bear and everybody will want to cuddle with you. Guys, the one thing I love about it, and I love about it too, is that it's $15 for the set. Like that really blew my mind. So basically like $7 for a piece. So the top looks like this, and it has like a half zip. It's like a turtleneck. It's really nice and cozy, very lush and thick, super soft. Like honestly, oh, I wish you could feel this, like a soft blanket. I love it. And for $15, guys, you cannot beat this. It's so thick. I wish you could see how much thickness there is to it. So this will definitely keep you warm. I just love it. So I highly recommend this one as well. Next favorite of mine is more of a, I guess, luxe item, and it is this Lucky Brand jacket. And no, I did not pay a lot for it because if you guys know, Lucky Brand is pretty pricey. Now, this was originally $198, but I got it on sale for $39.99. That is a steal. For a Lucky Brand, that's a steal. I love Lucky Brand jeans and their clothing pieces, but I never purchase anything from them because they are expensive, like really, really expensive. This one, I'm just mind blown, honestly. I just love it. The quality, you could definitely feel the quality on this. It's very luxe. It's really nice and thick. It has really nice pockets right here. I did get it in a size medium. I love the inside as well. Look at that. That's such a beautiful color. The hood, guys, the hoodie is so nice and thick, so lush, so soft. It's just an amazing, like, cuddle with me next to the fireplace type of jacket. I just love it. Do recommend it. They have them in 3 of the colors, and I will link those down below as well. The next one, guys, is, I just love this one. Like, you have to get this one. Add it to your cart, get it, and you will so thank me for this. This is so, so good. So this is the Terra and Skye sweater. It is their plus size line, and it was $21.98. I got it in the OX size, and I really love it. It's like an oversized look. And guys, don't be afraid to get other sizing and try it out and see how it looks. For me, I wanted this to look oversized, so I got in the OX, and it fits perfection. That's my tip to you guys. Don't be afraid to check out the men's section, the plus size section, even the kid section. If you get in the right size, you can fit in the kid size. This one though, guys, it's one of the most buttery soft sweater I've ever felt in my life, and I'm not even exaggerating. And this again is one of my favorite finds. I just wish you guys can have like a feel-o-vision, like somehow I can just put it there and you guys can just feel it. It is ribbed at the wrist, so it's more cinched in, but it's kind of like flowy going out. And this is just beautiful. It's perfection, guys. I love the ends, the way it looks. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's more thinner right here, and it has this line going all around. This camouflage print is done right. I'm very picky with camouflage print. I either hate it or love it. It either looks more high-end and nice or very cheap, you know. And this is actually a dupe to the Free People. Hopefully I can find it. I'm gonna put it somewhere here, guys. Exact dupe to the Free People, and you guys know Free People is not cheap. And then moving on to 2 sweaters. I got 2 sweaters. They are the same, and I had to show you guys because I love them that much. The first one is what I'm wearing. This is by Scoop, and you guys know I usually don't buy a lot of things from Scoop if it's not on sale. But sometimes I do make the exception. If it's really like speaking to me and I just can't help myself, I will do it. This one is $29, and they come in multiple colors. I got this one in the pink, and I also got it in the black. I absolutely love it. I love the exaggerated sleeves, the way it looks. I just, oh, look at that, guys. Like, what? Just so gorgeous. I love the mock neck. You guys know I love mock necks. They're one of my favorite. And the black as well. I had to get the black because you guys know, like, I can't help myself. I love black, and I just feel like black just looks chic, and You can't go wrong with black. So I had to get it. I absolutely love it. Yes, it's a little bit more up there for Scoop. You guys know Scoop is a little bit more up there for $29. Promise you it is so worth it. If I didn't mention, I got it in a size medium. Moving on to another sweater that I highly recommend is another Scoop sweater. Now this one is on sale. This was originally $29. It's on sale for $19. And I got this one in, I think they call it a green or a lime green. So yummy, guys. So beautiful. Look at these sleeves. I mean, they are very like exaggerated, but so beautiful. I love the sleeves. I think the sleeves makes this sweater just over the top. I love the mock neck. You guys know I have a thing for that. I think it's one of the most flattering looks when it comes to a sweater is when it comes to like a mock neck. It's just gorgeous. I love this. I really wanted to get my hands on the fuchsia pink, but that one is completely sold out. I'm still gonna keep my eye on it. Hopefully somehow Walmart hears me and they will bring it back. But as of now, they are sold out. I got it in a size small. And guys, I'm telling you, these are so worth it. They're so good. Like, I am not kidding you. This is so worth it. And I love this color. I actually wanted both of them, but like I said, I couldn't get the pink. So what can you do? My friend actually has the one in the pink and she looks so stunning in it. If you guys want to see it, I'm gonna link her channel down below because she also does YouTube. YouTube videos and she does a lot of Walmart hauls. So you guys know I mentioned her before, but I love her channel and I love her. She's one of my best friends. So if you guys have not checked out her channel, I'm gonna link it down below. Her name is Adriana Stephanie. She's awesome. I think to me personally, yellow looks very flattering on a lot of skin tones and it's just beautiful. I know it says it's a green, but to me it looks more like yellow. I know, and yes, it does have like green tones to it, but it's still a yellow to me, like a neon yellow. And it is so soft, so lush. It's not scratchy or itchy or any of that. So highly recommend this as well. Next item is this one right here. This is the No Boundaries High Rise Curvy Jeans. This I think is like under $15 or under $13. This I highly recommend. It is distressed. So at the front it's like this, and then at the ends it looks like this. Now this might not be for everybody, but it is for me. I absolutely love it. I think it's very edgy. But the reason why I really love these jeans is the fact that they are very flattering. And I just love them. I got them in the size 7. And because this is a junior sizing, I did size up. So just keep that in mind. I really love them. They're just gorgeous. So get yourself one of these jeans and you will thank me. And the reason why I really love those jeans is because they are really high-waisted. And I think high-waisted is just flattering on anybody. Like it's just, I don't know, it just gives you the right form, the right shape. Last but not least, I wanted to show you guys this sweater right here. This is just beautiful. I love the sleeves. They call it like a slight puff sleeve and it looks like this. It is kind of like see-through because it has like little knitted holes through it. I wear a camisole underneath regardless, so that's not a problem for me. But if you don't want your bra to show through, you might want to wear a nude bra with it. And I just love the detail of it, how it's like cinched in right here and then it opens up. It's so beautiful. And this is my favorite color because you guys know I've been telling you guys this has been one of my new favorite colors for the winter time. This beautiful forest green is everything. It's so beautiful. It's such a vibrant, gorgeous color, but at the same time, it's like a forest dark green. This was originally $16.98. It is on clearance for $10, and they do have them in a lot of other colors. I'm gonna link the other colors down below as well. So in case you guys are not into this color, they do have them in other colors. You know what I mean? This I highly recommend. It's beautiful. I know I say I highly recommend, but I really do because they are so good. And you guys know when I pick my favorites, I pick the best of the best. These are the ones that is just mind-blowing. These are the ones that I've been loving. And of course, like I said, these are your top favorites because these are top sellers from you guys. And that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.